Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today I want to share some exciting news. Some leaked details about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series have surfaced, courtesy of the ex-user Hussam Jamal 380. Let's dive into what we know so far. The leaked images showcase a variety of color options for the S24, which are titanium black, oxy black, titanium gray, and few other color options. The S24 and the S24 Plus are rumored to have larger screens as compared to their predecessors, promising a more immersive experience. And for those who love a bright screen, get ready for a whopping 2600 nits in brightness, which is 48% brighter than the S23 series. Samsung is really turning up the brightness game. Performance-wise, the S24 series will come in two flavors, the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This could be a big deal for those who have international versions, as Samsung aims to level up the performance of the Exynos chipsets. While most of us know that the Exynos version hasn't performed as well as the Snapdragon version, Samsung claims that it's going to be 25% faster than the previous versions and 32% faster in GPU performance. If you talk about the cooling of the device, the S24 lineup is packing a vapor chamber that are 1.9 times larger than the previous models, ensuring optimal performance in gaming. It is also mentioned that faster response times are also included in this phone. If we talk about the camera, the S24 and the S24 Plus are keeping it real with 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom lenses. The Ultra version, however, takes things up a notch with a 10 megapixel 10x periscopic camera paired with a 50 megapixel main camera. The S24 Ultra promises jaw-dropping clarity. But here's the real game changer: improved AI. The S24 series is set to integrate AI features for enhanced camera performance, potentially revolutionizing smartphone photography. Get ready to capture moments like never before. However, there's a twist to these leaks. Upon checking Hussein Jamal 380's X post, it appears he may have deleted the pictures. Now the suspense is real as we await the official Samsung Unpacked event 2024, which is scheduled to happen on 17th of January this year. Stay tuned for what could be an exciting chapter in the Samsung Galaxy S series. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.